hello friends, after restarting in the last video, sorry that could not be recorded. So after that, we want to see that whether really it's increased the increase. My God, what happened? So we notice one. I'm just gonna show you. I'm just gonna show you that whether really did it. So I'm just gonna calculate it. You see that whether we really did. So proof is in this file. Is the RAM? So you want to see it? So let's see now. So where we have increased it. So let's see. Do this, it will free some space. So you see this, we increase the RAM. See a Windows RAM increase. See in the drive itself, it's saying Windows rate. The same way here, Windows RAM increase has happened. So you see that. Okay, so I want you to see it clearly. So see this. You will be excited till the heaps. Look at this. I look at this folder. I did it today and it came today, which is a current folder. Yay! Say yay! You're gonna enjoy saying yay. So we really increased the RAM. So it's not a joke. So just let's go to about and check whether we really increased it. Really, we have increased the RAM. So that's also first proof. Let's see the many parts as I explore. So let's check. It shows like this, but it's increased the RAM. Okay, it must see like that, but it's really done. But we are just seeing it as less, but it is really. So this is how it looks, but really you have increased the RAM. Yes, you have it. It's the increase. Yes, it's increased. We increased the RAM, right? So yes, we have really increased the RAM by a lot. Okay, so you're gonna enjoy it. So I'm very happy that I've increased my RAM. Yes, you might not be able to see, but it is just so that it frees space. It was saying that it is filled. So now let's go to access. Where was that? One that personal folder anti-use. Oh yeah, this one's sort of takes a kilobyte. No, that was not needed actually. I put it myself. So if you have any unwanted things like this, yes, you can do. Now I'm gonna just go. So friends, after I remove that and fill in the space, let's see whether it really freed some space. So let me check where I saw it. Yes. Oh my God, 32 from 8.8 to free. Oh my God, something has gone wrong. 145 GB, only 8 is left. Oh no. 8 minutes, I can make it to 98. It's too less. On the outside, but it's gonna be a lot. So I'm gonna right click properties. What is E? Oh, I could put a RAM in it. Yes, now I got my zoom in again. I just the previous is recording it is. So I can put one more, but I don't have a drive now. So I have to see that I've added this open settings also. Yeah, it's very fast now, but I'm not happy why there's so much space it took. To see, we have something. Let's just explore little more in depth. I want to know where all. I think. Let me think where I think this untold secret in video they showed that some apps thing. So let me just go. Oh, now let's go to search. Let's click on that. Yeah, it's used a lot. And now what we need to do, oh my god, it's too less that oh yeah, we need to click on system and result. Oh no, see that time it was 3.62 here in the virtual. Okay, let me show you here. Hello friends, so here, okay, so look at this. That time this was only 3.62 GB. That only 3.62 GB was the virtual memory. Now it's 30.2 GB. Look at that. How much nice it is. See? So you see how nice it is? So that's what we did. You see that it's will increase. See this. This also is increased. Yeah, this is 1.36 GB users. Now we're going to see even more. Uh, let's see even more. Oh, apps and features. Yeah, so much is there. Then this is Microsoft Whiteboard. What is this? It could be used. I don't know whether it's needed. Then we have some apps. You need these all apps. So let's go. That's how we have. And see this. This is the gaming mode. This is all what is there. The gaming mode. Captures. And this is the game mode on. And this is the Xbox. So now let's go anywhere we can do. See now that we increase the space, I want to show you the difference in it. So this is the mouse. Scrolling back. So that's how you do it, and it's going to be very helpful. Uh, it's attention needed. What is that in the Windows update? So I'm just showing you how to. This is the part 2 where we. Yeah, actually, I love Windows 11 and it's so entertaining. It's so much entertaining. RAM increase, right? There is no only you will be seeing lots of places. See, it's so nice. I can rename it. I computer so much. Now my RAM is 90 GB RAM. Look at that. And for the proof purpose, I am just going to take this, Control C, go into desktop, and Control V. Yes, now I got the file folder. I think this is a good file. So this is a proof, okay? So this is how we do it here. See, capacity is this much. Yes, you can do this for it to check whether your drive has some system errors. I'm canceling because I don't want to do it. Yes, now look at this file. Now I have a 90 GB RAM. I never had a 90 GB RAM. Oh no, it's so fast. You know that? So much lag is gone in it. So let me just show you how lag is gone, right? So it's, I think, very fast my computer is now. So I'll show you. It's increase the RAM, which is very good. That's why you should increase the RAM to increase your performance. See, what I need to do is we'll click on this and click on restart after doing that 120 GB RAM in that, right? I showed you. Yeah. So if you don't want anything here, right? Or there's another thing, how do you speed your computer is that, see, this is the administrative tools which only administrators can access. Right? So at this cancel, this is Ayush computer, okay. See, it's set up only to get insider. This is the insider program, so it's set for getting it. So you actually I can do so. I'm just gonna click on OK. Yes. So bye everyone. See you in the next video of mine, and don't forget to subscribe me. Without subscribing me, you're not going to get anything good.